Tired of fumbling for your wallet? Always forgetting your card? Ever wished you could just tap your phone and pay, like magic? If you've got a Monzo account and an Android phone, then that magic is totally within your reach, and it's called Google Pay. Imagine this: you're at the checkout, arms full, and all you need to do is pull out your phone, tap, and you're done. No more searching through your bag, no more worries about leaving your wallet at home. That's the power of Monzo and Google Pay combined, a match made in modern banking heaven that streamlines your everyday spending and gives you back valuable time. In today's fast-paced world, convenience isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. We're constantly looking for ways to simplify our lives, to make everyday tasks quicker, easier, and more seamless. And when it comes to managing your money and making payments, Monzo and Google Pay are two of the strongest contenders in the arena. Monzo, with its brilliantly intuitive app, instant notifications, and smart budgeting features, has already revolutionized how many of us interact with our finances. It's a bank built for the smartphone era, designed to be agile, transparent, and user-friendly. Then you have Google Pay, a payment platform that takes the concept of contactless payments to the next level. It's not just about tapping your card, it's about transforming your Android phone, and even your smartwatch, into a secure and universally accepted payment tool. Together, these two services create a powerful synergy that makes managing your money and spending it a breeze. But how do you actually make this magic happen? How do you link your vibrant Monzo card to the powerful Google Pay ecosystem? And once it's set up, what are the real benefits? What about security? Are there any limits you need to be aware of? And what if something goes wrong? These are all excellent questions, and in this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into every single one of them. We'll walk you through the entire process, from the initial setup to troubleshooting common issues, ensuring you're fully equipped to leverage the full potential of Monzo and Google Pay. So, let's stop talking about the future of payments and start living it. Get ready to transform your Monzo experience with the unparalleled convenience of Google Pay. Chapter 1: The Simplicity of Setup, Getting Monzo on Google Pay. The beauty of integrating Monzo with Google Pay lies in its simplicity. It's a process designed to be quick, straightforward, and largely automated. You won't need to jump through hoops or navigate complex menus. In fact, there are typically two main ways to add your Monzo card to Google Pay, both incredibly user-friendly. Method 1: the Monzo app, your smartest starting point. This is, without a doubt, the recommended and most intuitive method. Monzo has built-in functionality to make this integration seamless. Open your Monzo app. First things first, launch the Monzo app on your Android smartphone. Ensure you're logged into your account. Navigate to your card. On the home screen of the Monzo app, you'll see your main account. Look for your Monzo card, usually displayed prominently. Tap on it. Find the Add to Google Pay button. Once you've selected your card, you'll see various options related to managing your card. Look for a button or an icon that explicitly says Add to Google Pay or Add to Google Wallet. It's often represented by the Google Pay logo. Follow the prompts. Tapping this button will initiate a series of prompts. Monzo will securely communicate with Google Pay to transfer your card details. You might be asked to confirm your identity, possibly through your Monzo PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition, depending on your phone's security settings. Google Pay verification. Google Pay will then typically send a verification code to your phone number or email address linked to your Monzo account. This is a crucial security step to ensure it's really you adding the card. Enter this code into the Google Pay app when prompted. Card added. Once verified, your Monzo card will be successfully added to your Google Pay wallet. You will usually receive a confirmation message both in the Monzo app and from Google Pay. Method 2: the Google Wallet app, a direct approach. While the Monzo app is the easiest, you can also add your Monzo card directly through the Google Wallet app, formerly Google Pay app. Open the Google Wallet app. Locate and open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. If you don't have it, download it from the Google Play Store. Tap the plus symbol, in the Google Wallet app. you'll see a small plus sign, plus symbol, or an Add to Wallet button. Tap this to begin adding a new payment method. Select Payment Card. From the options presented, choose Payment Card. Scan or enter details manually. You will then have the option to scan your Monzo card using your phone's camera, or to manually enter the card number, expiry date, and CVC. While scanning is convenient, ensure good lighting for accuracy. Confirm card details. Review the card details to ensure they are correct. Agree to terms and conditions. You will be presented with the terms and conditions for adding your Monzo card to Google Pay. Read them and accept to proceed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.